let's know about a Typeform. Typeform is also a AI tool. You can easily use with sign up and go to the account and you can explore of Typeform. You can see detail. Basically, you can know about the product and aware of some other product where you can know easy way and also a detail of the product and also you know about the pros and cons and also know about the company, all these things, entire thing you can know about this AI tool. Here you can see, and you can also make a design and also use for the data. All these things you can use from this platform for the product. Now you understand how to use a Typeform. Simply you sign up and go to the panel and then you can use it